Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your WordPress website with Elementor, a powerful page builder. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to use a lot of the features in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription that costs $40. These features are like creating a WooCommerce website or installing and upgrading plugins. Now, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally. And if you follow my instructions, you're gonna be able to complete this task and edit with Elementor in WordPress. Now, let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to install Elementor. To do that, log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and then entering your account credentials. Once finished, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar right next to the plug icon right here and click on it. Now in the search bar, type in Elementor and search for it. Yeah, this is the one. Let's look for it in not in caps. Elementor is right here. Let's search for this one. And you're gonna click and install. Like I said, it requires a paid subscription, so make sure you pay for the subscription. And as soon as you do that, just click on upgrade and activate. After that, the Elementor editor will open. The third step is to use the drag and drop. Add sections, drag widgets like text, images or buttons into place and customize each one, adjust margins, paddings, colors and fonts in the style settings. As for the fourth and final step, save and preview. And once you're satisfied with your changes, click the update button to save and use the preview feature to see how the page looks on desktop, tablets and even mobile. For additional tips, use Elementor's pre-designed templates for faster design and always check responsiveness to ensure your site looks great on all devices. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.